In this video, I will show you how to auto shut down Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type task scheduler, just like this, and then open up your task scheduler underneath best match. Once you've opened this up, come over to the right hand side, and in this menu you want to click on to create basic task, and that's going to open a window like this. So in the name, we're just going to go ahead and type shutdown, just like this, and then click next. Then when it says when do you want the task to start, what you can do is choose one time from here and then click next. And then what you can do is choose when you want to auto shut down your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can select the date and time from here. For example, if I wanted to auto shut down on today, which is the 9th of January, and I wanted to shut it down at 12 o'clock, then I would of course just type that into here, as you can see, just like so. It's also got seconds as well. And once that's done, just go and click on to next. Then for action, select the option to start a program, click next. On the next bit, under program, you want to just type shutdown. And then where it says add argument, you want to put the following into the box here, which is /s space /t space /f, and then the number 0. Once that's done, click next. And as you can see, this is all good to go. You can check the details from here and then just go and click on to finish. Now, as you can see, that's going to go ahead and add the task here. And that's now scheduled to auto shutdown. So that is how to auto shut down Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.